beginnings to a brand new underwater adventure. I'm your friend, Axie the Axolotl! Today we're going to dive deep, splash around, and learn our ABCs together. Are you ready? Let's go! Come on, friends, and swim with me through the alphabet in the deep blue sea.
E is for axolotl. B is for anemone swaying in the sea. B is for blowfish. B is for bubbles floating up to sea. C is for crab. C is for coral, colorful and free. D is for dolphin. D is for diver, waving down at me.
E is for eel. E is for estuary, where the river meets the sea.
F is for fish. F is for fins that help them move so swiftly. G is for guppy. G is for grotto, a secret cave to see.
Swim and sing the ABCs in the ocean, splash with ease. With my friend Axie, happy as can be. Swim and sing along with me. H is for hermit crab. It is for horsefish swimming happily. I is for iceberg. I is for ink from a squid. Oh my. J is for jellyfish. T is for jet stream going fast. K is for kelp. K is for krill. A tiny treat. L is for lobster. L is for lighthouse shining so sweet.
M is for manatee. M is for Monterey, a swimming cave. N is for narwhal. L is for nautilus with the spiral shape.
Swim and sing the ABCs in the ocean, splash with ease. With my friend Axie, happy as can be. Swim and sing along with me.
O is for octopus. Who is for otter, holding hands, hello. P is for penguin. P is for puffer fish, round as it can go. Q is for queen conch. Q is for quahog in the sand below. R is for reef. R is for ray, gliding to and fro.
S is for starfish. S is for shark, swimming in the dark.
T is for turtle. T is for treasure near the old ship ark.
Swim and sing the ABCs in the ocean, splash with ease. With my friend Axie, happy as can be. Swim and sing along with me. Oh look, a sunken treasure chest, shiny and new. What letters inside? It's X for X-ray fish.
U is for urchin. U is for upstream, a journey to begin. V is for volcano. V is for viper fish with a great big grin. W is for whale. W is for water, where we all play. Y is for yellowtail. Y is for yacht, sailing far away.
Z is for zebrafish. EC is for zooplankton, the tiniest of all.
We sang every letter and had a ball.
We did it! We sang from A to Z. All the letters in the sea. Now let's wave goodbye, just like so.
Now our swim is done. The letters are all through. But don't you worry, 'cause the fun is never through. Our next adventure is waiting closer than you think.
Bye bye!
Little guppies, thanks for sharing